Let's start. So today I'm going to talk about asset under construction process in SAP S/4HANA. Before we start, we must know the basic definition of AUC. So AUC is a tangible asset that is still being procured or built, but it is not available for use. So what does it mean? So let's assume you ordered a textile machinery in the month of January 2025 from outside of the country, but in the month of May 2025, you have received only 90% of its component. What you will do? So at this moment, you cannot use this machinery until you receive 10% of its component and you settle AUC to main asset. But in the month of May, you have to record the cost. For recording the cost, we have two ways. First is manual, other one is through purchase order. For manual, you can use transaction code F-90 with posting key 70 and 31. Okay, so 31 is for vendor invoice and 70 is for asset or AUC debit. So other way we have purchase order. So I have mentioned the process which we are going to follow in this video, and I have also mentioned the transaction code and application, Fury application, so you can use one of them to follow the process. Apart from this, we must know where it comes, where we can see AUC. So normally companies use property, plant, and equipment to display the AUC figures, but you cannot find separately. So you have to go into note. So note is 5. So you can also take financial report from any company. So I have downloaded this consolidated balance sheet from Aramco. So you can see it's a breakup, property, plant, equipment, continued. So here you can see construction in progress. So it is showing the movement within the year from January 2023 to December 31st, 2023. So let's go back. So this is a process flow which I'm going to follow. Let's create the AUC in the system. So go to AS01, click on create asset. So we have asset class for AUC, which is 4,000. Write down description. Go to time dependent. So now I'm taking cost center. Take the cost center, click on OK. Go to depreciation areas. So you can see there is no useful life because depreciation will not apply to AUC. Click on save. Let me write down here. Okay, so go back. Let's create the purchase order.